Number 1. The 1988 Ford Ranger pickup, priced at $7,000 and located in Concord, New Hampshire. This reliable daily driver has 90,000 original miles and an automatic transmission. The 2.9L V6 runs strong, shifts smooth, and has been well maintained with recent work including fluid changes, brakes, exhaust, and suspension. It comes with a snug-fitting bed cap and has minimal rust for its age, mostly surface level with a clean undercarriage. The interior is tidy and functional, with a solid bench seat and working heat. Also comes with a Garfield air freshener for a fun touch. I'm moving out of the country and can't take it with me. Clean title in hand. Asking $7,000, no trades. Number 2. The 1965 Ford F100, priced at $14,500 and located in Massapequa, New York. This short bed classic has been thoughtfully upgraded for reliability and comfort while maintaining its vintage charm. Sitting on a stock frame, it features a Crown Vic front suspension with a power rack, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a 4-bar rear suspension paired with adjustable QA1 coilover shocks. It has an 8.8 rear end, 16 by 7 front and 16 by 9 rear rims, and the fuel tank has been relocated under the bed for a cleaner look. Power comes from a rebuilt 400M engine, mated to a rebuilt C6 automatic transmission, kept cool with an aluminum radiator. Modern comforts include a tilt wheel, digital dash, functional heat, wipers, and a stereo with Bluetooth. It's ultra-reliable and ready to drive anywhere. Clean, solid build with only 3,500 miles since completion. Located in Long Island, New York. Number 3. The 1987 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 regular cab. Listed at $10,000 and located in Hooksett, New Hampshire. This classic square-body GMC R1500 is in good overall condition and retains its original 355.7 L V8 engine. Equipped with 4x4 locking hubs, it's not just a looker, but a capable and fun truck to drive. Originally acquired as a project, the seller is parting with it due to lack of time. The truck runs, drives, stops, and steers well. The body is solid with only minor rust, some on the driver's side rocker due to a worn door seal, and a bit near the driver's door handle. Otherwise, it's impressively clean and straight for its age. It's expected to pass New Hampshire inspection without issue. The interior is in excellent condition, very clean, well-maintained, and a testament to how well this truck has been cared for. With square body values on the rise, this is both a solid investment and a rewarding driver. Asking $10,000 or best offer, price is negotiable, and the seller is open to reasonable trade offers. Serious inquiries only. Number 4. The 1986 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, listed at $13,000 and located in Gordonsville, Virginia. This 1986 Chevy K10 4x4 is a solid example of a classic square-body pickup equipped with an automatic transmission with overdrive and factory AC, which still works. The truck has been well cared for and comes with lots of new parts, making it a reliable option for both daily driving or weekend cruising. Finished in bold red with a matching burgundy interior, it has that vintage American truck look and feel. Odometer shows 12,345 miles, likely reset or partially restored. Whether you're after a dependable 4x4 or simply love the style of mid-80s Chevys, this one checks the boxes. Asking $13,000. Number 5. The 1981 GMC 2500 regular cab long bed, listed at $8,750 and located in Uncasville, Connecticut. This classic heavy-duty GMC pickup is a true California truck and has been in the same ownership for over 10 years. Powered by a 350 small block V8 with headers and mated to a manual 3-speed transmission with granny low gear. It's a strong running 4x4 that drives surprisingly smooth for its age and setup. The exhaust system is functional, though it will need mufflers. With its vintage stance and solid drivetrain, this truck is perfect for someone looking for a dependable workhorse or a restoration platform. If you're reading this, yes, it's still available. Asking $8,750. Number 6. The 1977 Dodge D250 Long Bed. Listed at $2,000 and located in Luray, Virginia. This 1977 Dodge M884x4 project truck comes with a ton of potential for the right buyer. Originally equipped with an automatic transmission, it was in the middle of a manual swap before the owner lost interest, but all the components needed to complete the swap are included. Under the hood, it sports a 318 bottom end board .40 over, fitted with a comp cam, upgraded valve springs, 340 heads, an aluminum intake, a 750 Demon Carb, full MSD ignition system, and a Holly Blue fuel pump. Mechanically, it's got strong bones and still has a hitch underneath, ready to pull. The truck is completely street legal, but it does not come with a title. It's been owned for 6 years without pursuing one. Priced at $2,000 or best offer. A solid foundation for a capable off-road or utility build. Number 7. The 1993 Chevrolet 3500 HD regular cab. Listed at $8,500 and located in Sloansville, New York. This heavy-duty workhorse runs, drives, stops, and dumps as it should, making it ready to go straight to work. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this truck is mechanically sound with everything functioning properly. It's currently inspected and road-ready. The body and frame are in very good condition for its age, and the tires have plenty of tread left. With 186,000 miles on the odometer, it's been used but clearly well maintained. Finished in classic red with a gray interior. This 3500 HD is a dependable and capable dump truck that's perfect for hauling, landscaping, or farm use. Priced at $8,500. A solid investment for anyone needing a strong utility vehicle. Number 8. The 1987 GMC Sierra 2500 4x4, listed at $15,000 and located in Hyannis, Massachusetts. This square-body classic underwent a full body-off-frame restoration between 2016 and 2018 and has seen very limited use since. It's powered by a rebuilt 350 V8 with a cam and roller rockers, paired to a rebuilt 700 R4 automatic transmission. Though 1987 was the first year of TBI, this truck has been converted to a carbureted setup, featuring an aluminum Edelbrock intake and a 650 Holly carb. Straight piped off the headers with glass packs, the truck offers a deep, aggressive tone. The restoration included a new fuel tank, fuel pump, stainless fuel lines, brake lines, master cylinder, and brakes all around. It also features brand new hubs, never used in 4WD yet, rough country lift, custom driveshafts for both axles, and fresh cab mounts. The frame was sandblasted, painted, and treated. The bed received all new cross members. The paint, done in 2018, is not original, but still presents well. Tires are in great shape, and the truck runs and drives excellent. Inside, it has an oil gauge in the cab and a fuel pressure gauge under the hood. There are only a few minor things left to finish, like replacing the passenger mirror glass, installing included weather stripping for the vent windows, adjusting the driver door latch, and fastening down the rear speakers. These are small details, and the seller is addressing them as time allows. The truck is mechanically turnkey and extremely solid. It's being offered not out of need, but because it rarely gets driven and the seller would rather see the money put to use elsewhere. Serious inquiries only, no time wasters. If you know and appreciate square bodies, this is a well-built example worth your attention. Number 9. The 1976 Ford F-250 HD Long Bed, listed at $3,500 and located in Holbrook, New York. This is a 1976 Ford F-250 Super Cab project truck with a 390 engine, C6 automatic transmission, power steering, and 2WD. It runs, drives, and stops, but it's definitely a project. Currently fitted with a 1979 grille setup, but the original grille, lights, and front bumper come with it. The truck has a new fuel tank and sending unit installed, plus new shocks, bump stops, patch panels for the bed, and various other parts included. The original yellow paint is underneath the current green, and it could easily be sanded off to reveal a unique vintage look. It's being sold on a bill of sale only, asking $3,500 or trades for other old cars or trucks. Located in the 11741 Zip area of New York. Number 10. The 1990 Ford F-250XL. Listed at $9,500 and located in Swansea, New Hampshire. 1990 Ford F-250. 351W. Fuel injected. Automatic. 4WD. AC. Brought up from Florida 2 years ago and has never been driven in the winter or salt. Not perfect. There are a few small dings, original clear coat peeling on roof, and a small hole in the passenger rocker from a leaking cab light when I bought it that was fixed. Unbelievably clean other than that. I drive it everywhere all summer and has never let me down. Clean title in hand. Brand new Magna Flow dual exhaust. I have a solid front axle that can go with it along with another tailgate. Tailgate had a dent when I bought it. $9,500. Will not reply to automated messages. Message me your phone number and we can talk. Located in West Swansea, New Hampshire, 03446. Number 11. The 1991 Chevy 4x4 stepside. Listed at $7,500 and located in Lewes, Delaware. This solid 1991 Chevy 4x4 step-side pickup is powered by a dependable 5.0-liter engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, offering both power and control. The truck runs great and is fully tagged and road legal through December 2026, making it ready to drive right away. It comes equipped with power everything, windows, locks, and more for added convenience and comfort. The body and interior are in good condition for its age, making it a reliable daily driver or weekend cruiser. Asking $7,500 or best offer, with cash preferred. Serious inquiries only, please. Number 12. The 1971 Ford F-100 Custom. Listed at $10,500 and located in Stoughton, Massachusetts. This 1971 Ford F-100 runs very well. Powered by a reliable 240 CI straight-six motor. It features several new parts, including an oil pressure sensor, carburetor, spark plugs, starter, fuel sender, and a conversion to electric ignition for improved performance. The interior has also been refreshed with new components, and the brake shoes are new as well. While there is a small oil pan leak and some rust present, the frame remains solid and the truck is completely original, with only basic maintenance performed so far. It's a great candidate either for a full restoration project or to be driven as is. Open to offers. Number 13. The 1988 Ford F-150 long bed. Listed at $600 or best offer. Located in Houstontown, Pennsylvania. I'm selling this 1988 F-154 for either whole or parting it out. The truck is currently complete, but both the body and frame are in rough shape. It's powered by a straight-six engine that recently had the top end redone and runs well. It features a heavy-duty 5-speed manual transmission, and the 4x4 system works properly. The truck was running and driving until the slave cylinder went out while washing it this week, but you can still hear the engine running. The title is available and in hand. If you're interested in the whole truck or parts, let me know what you need, and I'll provide pricing. Great project or part source for someone familiar with these trucks.